Your CPA format statements look perfect. Here's why banks still say no. Bank financing isn't free money. It's a vote of confidence. It's a vote of confidence that your business can take capital, convert it into capacity, and reliably turn that capacity into cash flow. So when owners say, we can't get financing and we need it to grow, the painful part isn't the rejection, it's the confusion. You feel like you did everything right. You hired a CPA. You have financial statements, you have sales, you have customers. The shop is busy, and yet the bank still hesitates. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Many small businesses bring the wrong version of their financial story to lenders. Lender underwriting requires a very specific lens. The core problem, overhead that isn't overhead. In production businesses, a huge portion of operating overhead is actually production-driven cost. If you treat these like generic admin overhead, your job economics are quietly thin. Common culprits include shop rent, utilities, and even working owner production time. When those costs sit in operating expenses, you inflate gross margin. A bank reads that and thinks, show me the economics of producing revenue. Lenders anchor hard on gross profit. It answers the first question. Does the business make money on the work itself before the office is even considered? Take Capital Tool Machining for the period ending December 31st, 2025. In a typical unadjusted presentation, the shop looks cheap to run. Before, revenue was 10 million with a 40% gross margin and 100,000 in net income. It looks great on paper. After, the gross margin compresses to 15.4%. Same net income, same business, but a completely different story about production economics. Why this matters. Banks look for reliability, resilience, coverage, and scalability. If your margin is thinner than reported, they assume the business is fragile. Don't walk into meetings forcing the bank to reverse engineer your shop. Turn busy into bankable. For human help, contact SaferWealth.com. We get financing past the finish line. Subscribe to YBAWS for more insights.